How to add KOLScan token to Metamask. So before that, make sure to open this token index screener. After that, go and copy the token address from here. And remember, this token came under the base network. After that, open your Metamask and log into your accounts. Now, after that, what you need to do from here, switch the network to base like that. As you can see, click on add, click on approve. And after that, click on these three dots, click on import tokens, click on custom tokens. Now here, just paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token name, KOLS. Click on next. Now click on import. Now to be able to make sure that you add it successfully, just go back to your wallet here. And now as you can see, as you can see from here, just search for it. As you can see, this is it. So this is our token KOLS. So this is how to add KOLScan token to Metamask. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.